Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday video of my wedding series. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these jackets for pocket wedding invitations. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that now and let's get started. We're going to head over to Cricut Design Space. I'm uploading this file that I got from Etsy for a scalloped pocket invitation. I am going to link it down below. The first thing we're going to do is ungroup it as it states in this little red note right here. So we're going to ungroup it and then we're going to delete that little red note. And now I'm going to hide all of the little squares and rectangles that would technically be our invitation inside. But right now we're just focused on the jacket. Now that we're left with our jacket, we're going to select each individual piece and we are going to ungroup it. It doesn't look like it's grouped together, but those lines that are acting as score lines are actually cut lines. And if you do not ungroup it and add score lines, this will cut your paper. In order to add score lines, you're going to go to your left toolbar and you're going to select shapes. That first square in shapes is a score line. We're going to grab our score line and we are going to place it over top of the existing line. When adding the score lines, I'm making sure that I stretch it long enough to score all the way through the invitation jacket. So I make it a little longer than the actual shape itself. Then I go over to this right toolbar and I click this little eyeball right here to hide the black line behind it. Now that I have my score line in place, I'm going to select my shape and my score line, and then we are going to hit attach on the bottom right toolbar. I'm going to repeat the same process with the lines on the other side. Okay, now that we're ready to make our project, you'll see that it tried to add both pieces of the project onto one mat. If you have a 12 by 24, this could work for you, but I do not. So I am choosing a 12 by 12 mat and it separated it into two pieces for me. For this project, I am using medium cardstock, so that is what I am going to select. And for the scoring, I am going to hit edit tools because I do not have a scoring wheel, but I still have a scoring stylus from my first Cricut. So you just change your tools and that's it. Now we're ready to make our project. Because we have two mats, we are going to have to edit the tools for each mat. Now that our cardstock is cut and scored, it's time for us to put it together. I'm using this adhesive that I got from Dollar Tree. It is double-sided. I really love this, and for only $1.25, it's amazing. But the first thing we're going to do is fold our cardstock at the score lines. Now we're going to add adhesive tape to all of our folds. Now that everything is folded, I'm going to use this little hook that goes with the Cricut to take the backing off, just because I have these acrylic nails on and it's pretty hard for me to maneuver with these. But this is the perfect tool to help. Okay, now we have our adhesive on there. We need to put these two pieces together. We're going to try to line this up with the fold on the inside of the other side. We're going to line them up as best we can, and then we're going to stick them together. Now we're going to flip it over to the inside, and we're just going to fold at the bottom scored line and press our adhesive down to create the pocket. Now our jacket is ready to place our invitations, RSVP cards, or whatever else you want to tuck into your invitation. I added this ribbon just to show you the possibilities of what your invitation jacket could look like. There's so many things you could do with this. You could add a wax seal or a monogram sticker, whatever you like, faux flowers, you name it. But if you open it, you can look to see how it actually came out with this mock invitation that I put inside. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. And you could create this in any cardstock color you'd like. I appreciate you guys for joining me for another Tutorial Tuesday of my wedding series. And I hope this video gave you the confidence to create amazing DIYs for your elegant wedding. If you like this video, share this video and comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see from me. And I'll see you in the next one.